Hey y'all, thanks for joining me today. Nate here with Nate's Interactive Auto, and today we got the Stanley 6 horsepower 8-gallon shop vac, wet or dry, and we're going to see something really cool. You see this giant pumpkin? Well, we're going to pick this guy up with this shop vac. So I want you guys to see what all this thing can do. Is this the real deal, or is it just another cheap knockoff of another good shop vac? So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, now we're going to jump in so you guys can see the unboxing. Well, you can see some of the features right here on the box, some of the things that it comes with, some of the tools, filter, hose, extensions, bags, filters, different types of filters. As you can see, the construction. Now let's open the box. Let's see what we have inside. I'm really excited for you guys to see the test I do with the water. That turns out to be even more exciting than the pumpkin. So there was the manual. Now let's go ahead and look at these tools. As you can see right here, these will come in handy, and you have to attach the bars. As I can see right here, they just pop right in. So that'll take just a second. No special tools will be required. Okay, now let's get this guy ready for some testing. All right, let's dive into the very first feature. As you can see, it's reversible, so you can use it as a leaf blower. Disconnect it. Simply connect into the back side of it. All right, let's see how well this serves as a vacuum. Unhook it from the back, hook it back into front, and there we have it. Now let's go ahead. Easily picks up these big rocks. As you can see. Now what about this big towel? Look at that. Pulled that towel down like it was no problem at all. Let's see if it can pull this big boulder in. Oh, it definitely pull it in, it just won't fit through the hose. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some other things we have going on with this Stanley. Take it off. I've been using this guy for a little while. I always like to test things for a considerable amount. That way I know more about it when I show you guys. As you can see, Stanley 6 horsepower 8-gallon vac, wet or dry. You get these nice little attachments. I'll do a demonstration for you guys. You can see the brushes. Also, you get this attachment. This will reach those tight corners or spaces. This will extend on to whatever piece that you choose. This easily just unthreads off here. Filter pulls off. There you have it. I'm going to show you guys something else in a moment, and we'll get to the pumpkin and see just how well that actually works. Can it pick up a pumpkin that weighs around 20-30 pounds? All right guys, let's go ahead and find out just how well this guy can handle water or any other liquid. So they come with a little foam deal, but this is the shop vac brand. It's just a little bit cheaper. The one I had, I got damaged to say the least, so we'll be using this one because it was handy and it still fits well. Unthread your paper filter. like so. Slides right over. And you can look in here, you can see I've definitely got a lot of mud and other debris in this. Still works fine after a lot of use. So now I'm ready to see what this guy's really going to do with this water. I want you guys to see just how well it performs. As you can see, plenty of water, full gallon. Let's turn her on, see if she can handle it. Oh, it's completely gone. There was like just a little bitty ounce left. I can't believe that. I definitely didn't expect it to do it that fast. Wow. Let's move on to the next step. And I want you guys to see the pumpkin. So for Halloween, I decided to use a pumpkin for the heaviest item. So just so that you can see, there's a convenient drain right here. This way you can drain your water out. And there's the water. All right, guys, now let's take our filter back off. The foam filter, that's just for the water when you use water. And we'll insert the paper filter back on. As you can see, we have the paper filter back on. So guys, these are the filters that come with this. So these are just the bags. Basically the same as any other typical shop vac bag. And that's why I don't really care for the bags a whole lot. Just because, just like the rest, they're just not made very well. I mean, I understand they're not supposed to last forever, but that's just the way I feel about it. Don't forget, I'm going to include a link in the description below. This link will have everything I used in this video. The shop vac, the foam filter, the Stanley filtered dry packs, and these vacuum bags. So I want you guys to go check those out for more information on these products. And if you guys decide to buy one of these products, I get a small little kickback, and it goes to help a long way to support the channel. And as always, I really do appreciate you guys. So without further ado, let's jump in and see just what happens. So you guys ready? We're gonna find out, will this handle this pumpkin in the spirit of Halloween? Also, guys, a few of the things I do like about this is that the handle is made of steel. As you can see, this is also made of stainless steel, and it has plastic wheels and a plastic top. But it's pretty heavy composite plastic. And what I will say is that I've had shop vacs many a times do well, but they would get a hole knocked in them in this area. So the fact that it's made of stainless steel is absolutely wonderful. Well, let's go ahead and get done with this. Can it do it? Can the mighty Stanley handle the pumpkin? Happy Halloween. Oh, it's definitely gonna give it a try. All right, let's try to find a good spot on here so we can grab this pumpkin up. I really want you guys to see this. This is pretty neat. Get a better angle. Ah, I thought we had it. Well guys, I'd like to take a second to show you guys something real quick. Whoa! Now, as you can see, this is a very, very large pumpkin, and it moved it around fairly easy. So I will give it credit for that. It done a great job. As always, thank you guys for watching with Nate's Interactive Auto. Until next time, we'll bring you some more really fun tests. Thanks for watching.